Welcome to this tutorial to learn how to save your design to have it professionally printed. So once you go through your design or your template and you are happy with everything that you changed and you're happy with how it looks, you're going to go over to the upper right hand corner where it says share. Click on that. You're going to go down to download. You need to select the file type, so click on that. Go down to PDF print. Click on crop marks and bleed. Now, if you are just printing from your home printer, then you would make sure that you do the RGB. If you only have the free account and you're sending to a professional printer, whether that's Staples or a local print shop, it doesn't matter. If you have the free account, you have to go for the RGB. If you have the Canva Pro account, then you can select the CMYK and save the file that way and send it to the professional printer. They work with CMYK color scale versus RGB, so your colors will be better. However, you can only select that if you have the Pro account. So if you have the free account, you're going to do RGB, crop marks, PDF print, and then you're going to select the download, save the file, and then that file is what you would take to Staples or send to your professional printer.